Can we reverse a video on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can reverse a video on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, let's just create a post. So you can now choose any of your video that you want to reverse. Select your video. So let me just select a video. After you've selected a video, you can go through your different settings. So after you find your settings here, you can then browse through all of your different options available. So let's check out our speed. There is no option to reverse it. If you tap on replace, it will just let you replace your video one from another. And yeah, there is no actual option which enables you to reverse a video on Instagram. So what you can actually do is you can use a different app which is available on your app store. It's completely free. You can use that app to go ahead and just reverse the video. So there are a lot of apps available in the market. InShot is one of them. You can use InShot, or you can also use another one that is a lot popular called CapCut. You can use either one of these video editing tools to reverse a video after you download it from your Instagram. And that's basically it, guys, for the video. Stay tuned for more.